difficult conditions. Well, this is career, I think, is the cause of that. Just simply too quick into the corner, and they just drove into the side of the Australia car. So this time John Martin drove straight into the back of the South Africa car, then clobbered it a second time. So just way misjudging the pace of South Africa. The car, watch again and see, comes down, tries to go down the inside. South Africa doesn't, takes its natural line, and Italy had nowhere to go in a serious bang between the two nations. Both out. And
morning, almost.
Oh, he's lost it. Oh, Ping Tong's lost it on the edge of the 16th